Welcome back to Everyday English for Business. I'm Marie, and last Thursday, I was completely under the gun.
Oof. What happened?
Well, I thought I had the whole day to prep a report for a client. But then, surprise email. Can you send this over by 3 p.m.? My whole to-do list just vanished.
Classic. That's when the coffee kicks in and adrenaline takes over.
Exactly. And that's the expression we're teaching today, under the gun, when you're facing intense pressure and not much time.
So, if someone says I'm under the gun, they mean they're dealing with serious time pressure, usually with something important on the line.
Right. It's not just being busy, it's that something must be done and fast. It often feels like the clock is chasing you.
And it's not about actual danger, it's more like someone's holding a stopwatch over your head.
Let's talk examples. Workplace first. I was under the gun to finish a presentation before the client arrived. The server crashed and the deadline didn't move. We were totally under the gun.
Classic. And interviews, this is where the idiom really shines. You'll often hear, "Tell me about a time you worked under pressure."
Try this. There was a week when I was really under the gun. My team had to prep a launch in 48 hours. I stayed focused, delegated tasks, and we delivered on time.
That sounds clear, professional, and calm under pressure.
Let's break it down. Say it with us. Under the gun.
Now listen closely to how it's actually said in fast, natural English.
It's not under the gun, it's under the gun.
That's right. The word the becomes soft and quick. The. Try it again. Under the gun.
Sounding native isn't about speed, it's about smooth connection.
And a common mistake English learners make is saying, "I was very stressed."
But under the gun is more specific. It shows time pressure, urgency, and professional control, which sounds more polished and confident.
In many Western workplaces, saying "I was under the gun" isn't a complaint. It's often used to show competence under pressure.
Exactly. It's like saying, yes, it was tough, but I handled it. Focus on the outcome, not just the stress. That's the key in professional settings.
Okay, let's review what we've learned.
In an interview, you may hear the question, tell me about a time you were under the gun. What happened? How did you handle it?
Go ahead and write down how you would answer that question. Option 1, another thing to think about. What if your colleague invites you to go to lunch, but you are giving a presentation after lunch? What would you say? Record your answer and listen back. Option 2, just write 2 quick sentences in your notebook. Option 3, drop your story in the comments or post it using hashtag #underthegunstory.
I think I would say, could we go to lunch tomorrow? I am under the gun today. I'm giving a presentation this afternoon.
Want to know more everyday English phrases like this to help you shine in interviews and on the job? Grab our guide, Behavioral Interview Power, Impress Employers in Business.
It's packed with sample answers, key phrases, and audio practice, so when the pressure's on, you're ready. The link is in the show notes.
Next time, cut corners, what it means and when it can hurt your reputation at work.
If today's episode helped you, share it with a friend who's job hunting or feeling under the gun at work. Also, please click like and subscribe. This helps future videos like this show up in your YouTube feed. We appreciate your kind support.
Thanks for listening to Everyday English for Business. Keep practicing, keep growing, speak with impact, even when the deadline is chasing you.
Leave a comment below that answers the question, tell me about a time you were under the gun.